Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. D for date fruit. E for European pear. F for fox grapes. G for guava. H for honeyberry. I for Indian plum. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nuts. O for olive. P for peach. Q for quince. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. T for kangaroo. U for ugly fruit. V for velvet apple. W for watermelon. X for Zimania. Y for yam. Z for Zinfandel grapes. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.